Hey Joanna, I've just had a look and yeah, it seems that the page is owned by Supercharge. So whoever's started and created that Supercharge page or has access to that account is the only one that can add it in, which is a bit annoying. So maybe you might have to even contact Facebook to let them know if you don't know who started that to get them to manually change it. But in the meantime, if you did want to run boosted posts, you can do it through the Ads Manager the same way that you create and run ads. So an example that I've just done here. So you can do this in a completely new campaign. So boosted post. Um, so then you'd obviously choose whatever version you want. If it's just brand awareness, or if you have traffic or a reach play. Um, Create your ad set. Um, so set it up as you would set up a regular campaign. This is how you can do that. One way to do that. And then when you actually go in to it, so you want to go to the ad set level. The ad set level is where you can set the budgets. So you can set daily budget or a lifetime budget. You can set timing, schedule, and then here's also where you can select your audience. And then when you are actually in the ad level, you want to select the page, and then down here you can just select use existing post. So then it will just pull the post. So you select whatever post you would like that's on the Nez Health wall, example like that, and then you can just boost it that way. So that's another way. That's just basically running the post as an ad, which is similar to a boosted post. So that might work for you in the meantime until you figure out who has access to that page, and you can do it from the actual page itself. So let me know. I'm happy to boost the page, the posts. I can create ads in a campaign for them. So if you just let me know what posts you want boosted and the budgets and the timings and the audience, that sort of thing, I'm happy to just do that in the time being until you find out who has access to that. But yeah, let me know.